The destroyer is destroying what it created. Can you see how that works mathematically? Taking the long wave home. As that relates to crashing systems, crashing a network, a digital network, running out of memory. When shields are up, when the crystal shield is up, when the crystal roars are up, when the ascension cycle is intact, the inflow, the crystal aquifers, the crystal key code, the Sophia code, the eternal source code. So if you want to see that through the map, when negative 13 parasitic colonies landed, what is that called? The rock, and then built the map, the grid that you see between east and west, and what they called manifest destiny, like the sphere of destiny, right? As it relates to electrical allocation numbers tied to battery-operated slaves playing video Star Wars games. As it relates to future planning, like pre-formatting. Future potential memories using blank slate, memory wipe, looking glass, future technologies. And particularly as that relates to, as I mentioned, Elisa, when you're providing electrical power to something that's going to use that electrical power to build something to kill you off in the future, you're seeing that future. Remember NASA, the future's now. Why would they do that? Well, if I just use a very short, just like that flash of time when there isn't any time, because I don't experience any time because there isn't any sound, then all you have to do is look at how the map's changed over wave speed vectors between one spin point tone and another as it relates to layers, artificial maps. The maps keep changing because the codes keep changing, because it's running out of memory, killing numbers. So it built what you see on the surface of the planet as a Truman Show model set. That's predictive modeling. So it's predicting the future destruction of its own destruction by what it builds that keeps destroying itself to keep killing more numbers. That's what you see happening right now, right? With all the major shifts in pressure, hot and cold, across America, and how that relates to 2.1. Killing off the human genome. Clockwork angels. Oh, cellular clocks. Killing off the clocks. The clock cycles. Breathing 999. Digital clocks trying to kill off 333 clocks. Crystal clocks. Remember the scorched earth policy? I got a little message one day on my Facebook page that says, now we're going to kill them all off. And at the same time, I'm getting a message in a future potential memory that said, guys sending the repair signal out. Well, which one are you? Are you going to kill them all off, or are you going to try and repair them all? Which one are you? The paradox. Time reparator technology. Splitting the distance in half. Remember the defense of the realm? QBit, the Earth Defense Force. QBit. That's black goo. Oh, running the black goo codes and the red pulse wave codes. The blue wave. The blue kachina. Ah, yeah. The blue flame. The crystal plasma tones of blue. The blue shield. Become. Breatharian form. Crystal, breatharian form and flow. Now we're breathing and not needing to consume the electron of another electrical being. Crystal aquifers, the crystal codes, the Sophia code, which is do no harm, which is cosmic law, which is monadic alignment to experience elemental union with the founder races and crystal Sophia to restore cosmic law. Ah, yeah.